just say a few words. Please take it that we believed in the constitutional setup of this country. We still believe, and we would keep believing it. We went to the court with all convictions that the court will decide it with all, keeping in mind the justice to all the parties. We have seen the judgment today. There may be reservation to the judgment from our side, and there are reservations that Mr. Jilani has already explained to you, that we will examine and we will take appropriate legal recourse available to us within the framework of law. Mr. Jilani has already appealed to the citizens of the entire country that they should maintain